friends have teenage kids, and we were talking about how tiresome it is to watch everything they're doing on their social media and see who's talking to them, make sure no one's going to kidnap them, and make them do their homework. Curfews. Yes, it's so hard to keep them safe. I'm getting tired just talking about it. So, looking through all that, I was looking at one of the things and I was like, what is this, Snapchat? They're like, well, we should learn about it. And then, so I asked my teenage daughter, I want a Snapchat, teach me. And she was like, no way. My kids won't show me either. I knew not to even ask my kids. And at work, we have some young 20-year-olds that have a Snapchat. And we were like, hey! Hey. Can you guys teach us about Snapchat? Because we want to learn about it. So, we had a lunch meeting. I learned a whole lot at the meeting. I took the notes for the meeting. That's how it all began. And I think our coworkers hate us now, too. Because we can't stop snapping. And it's so fun! To our teenagers. And actually, we just snapped them pictures or videos, and we were like, we're cool now. We don't need you. In your faces. Yeah. Another thing we found out, if someone, like your husband, doesn't have Snapchat, you can text him your video, which we totally do that too. Nah, I'm not doing that with mine.